If you're watching this, that means I'm about to ask you for money. But please give me just a couple minutes to explain why. And quick little side note, if you can't donate but you want to help, you can share this video on social media platforms to get the word out. Hi, I'm Austin Smith, a young filmmaker looking to create his first big project since graduating college. Okay, Austin, so what's this big project? Well, I'd love to tell you. You see, when a young girl named Ellie who dreams of traveling beyond the stars causes a wormhole to emerge from an explosion by one of her self-made rockets, well, naturally she goes on a chase because she believes that this wormhole has the ability to transport her to distant galaxies. So with all that, our crew is looking to raise $5,000, and we believe we can achieve that with your small donations. You remember how earlier I said I went to college? Well, it's time for me to prove it. You see, if we have 500 people donate $10, then we just hit our goal. If we have 200 people donate $30, then we just hit our goal. And this last one, if we have one person donate $5,000, yes, I had to double check that math, but guess what? We still hit our goal. We have nearly $2,000 reserved for production design and wardrobe, almost $1,000 all for the camera gear. We have housing expenses for when we go out of state, composer for music. We will need to be providing food for all 4 days of production. The point is, all the money will be going straight into the film, and if you donate, obviously your name will be in the credits as a special thank you. So thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for the donations, and if you can't donate, I do ask that you at least just share this video because that would help a ton as well. God bless and peace out. Thank you. I like to say peace a lot. Peace. I don't know where it started. Used to do this, then I did this. It's a long story.